City manager, they're requesting you leave the premises.
Why?
Because it's private property.
No, it's not. It's public.
Okay.
Are you kidding me?
It's private property.
I was called by a council member that she was asking us to inform me of the no solicitation ordinance and it's on our book.
You're wrong, and you're gonna find out the hard way. And fuck the police.
Okay.
There's an ordinance right there.
You can go ahead.
Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great day today. I'm at the city of Kirby right now at City Hall, and for those of you who don't know who Texas Sheepdog is, he's been dealing with some issues regarding the city of Kirby in Texas, which is a suburb within San Antonio. And so today is going to be the City Hall meeting, and what I'm going to do before the meeting, this is actually earlier in the day obviously, but I'm going to do a test and I'm going to hold a sign on the steps of City Hall saying changes needed. So we're going to see if these guys are complete tyrants or if they're gonna, respect the First Amendment. From what I understand, the mayor is not very keen on the First Amendment and, doesn't really respect our rights. So we're going to find out. And I also understand that the chief of police is pretty bad too. So I'll be sure to let you guys know how everything goes, okay? So root for me, y'all.
Hello.
Yeah. Hey.
Hi.
You guys hanging out?
Yeah.
Looking.
Can I help you? What's your name, ma'am?
It's McClary.
McClary. Thank you. And
I'm
Officer Lee.
PD. We're both with Kirby.
Oh, right on.
What are you guys doing?
Pardon me?
What are the signs for?
What are the signs for?
Yeah.
Oh, just spreading the message.
What kind of message?
You want to see it?
If you don't mind.
It says need change.
Need change?
Yeah.
Okay, so you
And
can't
that's-
be on the city property with that?
No, that's not true.
So,
This is a traditional public forum. It's like the most basic.
They called us and asked us to come out, so
Oh.
that's what we're here for.
They called you?
Yeah, we got a phone call, so.
Okay.
So
You better go investigate then. You should talk to them.
I'm sorry?
You should go talk to them and investigate then. See what the problem is.
We got the dispatch call from it, so that's why we came out.
Oh, okay.
So they're asking that you guys leave the premises.
You wait. What?
They're asking y'all to leave the premises.
Really?
No,
Then not. This is the city of.
for
Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. Yeah.
I'm here for cause. So
There's the American flag right there. And some of the principles of being an American are our freedom of speech includes things like holding signs and, in particular, having criticism of your government. And there's a lot of criticism. Look right there. God. Yeah, they're in the back talking to the lady. Jesus Christ. Look at her name. She's just scared of someone with a sign, I guess. I was polite to her too, wasn't I? Oh, sorry. That was polite to her. I wasn't rude to her or anything. I was polite. I didn't even talk to her. I was just like, so, whatever. Yeah, I'm not leaving. And this is exactly what I mean when I say change is needed. This is exactly what I mean. Hi.
I was called by a council member that she was asking us to inform me of the no solicitation ordinance and it's on our books.
Thanks to some recent Supreme Court rulings, such as Reed versus Town of Gilbert and Norton versus Springfield, most of these panhandling ordinances are considered unconstitutional. Carry on.
I know you're recording this, and that's okay.
I know.
Because there is an ordinance on our books that keeps people from soliciting here, and right now people are trying to pay their bills, so we don't want to make them feel uncomfortable, so I have to respect my council members and also the citizens that are coming here to try to pay their bills, okay? I mean, you can go on other property outside of this. I mean, you can stay here, but in terms of soliciting, that is something we can't allow because it disturbs
good to know.
our residents are trying to pay their bills, and then
I mean, honestly, it is unconstitutional ordinance because it's fully within our rights to solicit if we wanted to.
Okay,
but I'll keep that in mind for sure.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Thank you. What'd you guys learn today? Did you learn anything about the Constitution? Ma'am? I can tell you something else about the Constitution. I have every right to say, fuck the police. I can give you guys a middle finger. Look, see? Middle finger. See? And I mean this wholeheartedly, 100%. It means fuck the police. I don't think they learned anything. They certainly didn't learn how to deal with people. So I'll just sit here and hold my sign. Yes, sir.
I don't want anything with you with these bills. They are trying to make more. They are trying to make sense against this. So just.
Huh?
I think the best thing for you to. I don't want them to make sense.
I know, I appreciate that, but I'm gonna do my thing. Have a great day, God bless. Did you learn anything today? About the Constitution? Ma'am? Well, one thing I know for a fact is that they're not very, like, humble and, you know, it's like, obviously nothing's changed yet, so we shall see. That's why I spread the message that change is needed. Quick warning for you guys, I'm about to be a little bit outside of my character in a minute, but I had to do this very harshly to serve a purpose and to make a point. So stay tuned. Did you learn anything today? That's not very friendly to the public. Not very good with public relations.
Alright, ma'am. So, city manager, they're requesting you leave the premises.
Why?
Because it's private property.
No, it's not. It's public.
Okay.
Are you kidding me?
It's private property. Okay. And if you refuse
It's
to
not
leave,
private.
Okay. I'm not going to sit here and argue. Okay.
Okay.
So,
who pays for it?
Again, I'm not going to sit here and
Or
argue.
who owns it? Okay.
So, if you don't leave the
McClary?
premises, you'll be issued a CTW, which is a criminal trespass warning. And then if you refuse to leave, then you'll be arrested for trespassing.
So I will be arrested for trespass if I don't leave City Hall public property,
Okay,
correct?
it is-
You're saying that, McClary. You're risking yourself on that, right?
This is private property, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So
It is
I'm
not.
telling you-
This is public.
Okay, you need to leave the premises because they're requesting you leave. It's just like if you were at QT and they didn't.
No,
want
it's
you
not.
there. And
This
all of the above.
You're wrong, and you're going to find out the hard way. And fuck the police.
Okay.
There's an ordinance right there.
You can go ahead and
Can I have $1?
No, ma'am.
I'm soliciting,
You can
so-
go.
All right. Only under threat of. Only because you're going to arrest me if I don't, right?
Have a great day, ma'am.
Are you going to arrest me if I do? If I stay here, are you going to arrest me?
Again,
Will you arrest me if I stay
they
here?
are requesting you to leave their private property.
It's not private.
So if you could please leave the premises, that would be appreciated.
All right. Well, I think you're going to learn that this is public. Do you know what the difference between private and public is?
Are you going to leave or are they going to issue the CTW?
They can't trespass, but I'm going to leave under duress because I know then that way you're going to arrest me, right?
So again.
Are you going to arrest me if I don't leave? Hey, Officer Lee.
Again.
Officer Lee, are you going to arrest me if I don't leave?
I don't know what my partner's already told you. What
weren't you guys in the same meeting?
Before I answer that question, what has my partner explained to you already before I came out here?
That I got to go.
Okay. And what else did she explain to you?
That's why I'm asking you. Are you going to arrest me if I don't leave?
Have you been asked to leave?
Yeah.
Okay. So what else did my partner explain to you?
I'm asking you a question. You guys work for me.
You will be issued
You guys are some cunts. Pompous cunt 1 and pompous cunt 2. I'm leaving only because you're gonna arrest me if I don't. Eat a dick. So y'all saw that. She is really a dumb ass bitch. Like, she's somebody that, the city of Kirby, I'm talking to you directly. I'm talking to the city attorney. I'm talking to the city manager. I'm talking to the mayor. You guys, you cannot have bitches like that on your payroll, on the city payroll. Okay, because they're going to cost the city of Kirby a lot of money. Okay. Oh, there's a little doggy up on the roof. So cute. Okay, anyways. Stay focused, stay focused. Okay, those bitches are gonna cost you a lot of money and a lot of problems because I'm gonna go through the process and I'm not gonna let this sit. Hi, sir. I'm not going to be quiet about this. I'm gonna get all the information that I need. I'm gonna get all the camera footage. I'm gonna pull their records and it's on. I'm gonna go through the process. I'm gonna take you guys with me as my family, as the family of the crazies. And yeah, we're gonna do this. So yeah, I'm gonna probably be at the city hall meeting tonight. I'm gonna talk and yeah, so until the next video, guys.
Berg.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Amanda Berg.
Yes.
Okay.
Oops. Pardon me. Hi, everybody. Hello, Madam Mayor.
Yes.
State
Your address, please.
Oh, yes. 4536 Dick Gordon, I believe. I actually am visiting. I
Okay.
patronize the city of Kirby. I pay taxes here with my business, and I also work here occasionally too. Well, the reason I'm here today and the reason I'm speaking is because some of you may actually recognize me. I was on the steps of City Hall today, earlier, maybe around noon. And what I was doing is I was doing something that's very fundamental to the democracy of our country, the First Amendment. And I was standing there and I'm holding a sign. I know that elections are coming up, and I held up a sign, and it doesn't matter what the sign says because we have that right, but it said change is needed, right? So I was approached by a few different people. I talked to a couple of people, and I was accosted by a couple of police officers. And now let's rewind a little bit. And the reason that I am bringing this up and doing this in the first place is because there's been a lot of rumors that you guys were, not very respectful of people's First Amendment rights here. So I wanted to see it for myself to see if it was something that was true. And so I wanted to do something that was extremely basic, fundamental, that, most people you guys should all have sworn an oath to defend and protect the Constitution. And just as a reminder, the fundamental principles, they include freedom of speech, the freedom of the press, the right to peaceably assemble, and the right to petition the government for redress of grievances. So we can, say it's our outlet basically to say to you folks when we have an issue. And that was tested today, and unfortunately, you guys failed quite miserably. I hate to say it. I was there for a while. We had somebody who called the police on me. We had somebody, everybody I spoke to was very friendly, but we had someone who called the police, and someone's here. We had someone who approached me who's also here. And then they called the cops. There were 2 police officers who came and approached me, and they threatened me, and they said that I had to leave, otherwise they're going to arrest me. Now, these 2 police officers, they're Officer Lee and Officer McCarmy. I think her name is McCarmy. Both of them are detrimental to you guys, and they're going to cost you guys a lot of money. It's not the first time that these officers have had problems, and I just want to give you guys a warning ahead of time and let you know that that's what's going on in your city. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.